show tonight. We are making chicken. As you can see, we got the drums here. I already put Lori's seasoning salt on top of it, okay? I put parsley flakes. It makes every meal look. What?
We couldn't see the name of the seasoning, but it's okay.
Y'all ain't copy my stuff anyways. And then we have Morton's season oil. Now this, y'all know nothing about this. My grandma be using this, and if my grandma uses it, best believe I'm gonna use it, okay? Because all her food tastes good. Period, okay? You gotta get your black pepper, okay? Because you know, gotta have black in everything. Alright. And if you think that you're putting too much seasoning, just put like 5 dashes more and you're good, okay? So then we got, y'all know about Tony's now, okay? Slap that Tony on there. Just slap it all up, like that, okay? And what y'all need is some garlic powder and some onion powder. That is, where my onion powder? Who took my, oh, okay. And you need some onion powder. Key, okay? Key, okay? Okay. Ooh, it's not even up there. It's because I ran out because I used so much. Y'all didn't know my video. Okay, so anyways. And, oh, that's a lot. Okay, it's okay. Okay. You can never have, ooh, it's real oniony. Okay.
Well, it's onion powder.
Well, garlic. You need garlic on a lot of things. Basically everything. It makes everything taste better, right? And what you gotta do with this chicken, you gotta make love to the chicken, okay? Let me show y'all how it's done. Cut the video. Next segment. Did you cut it? Oh no, you didn't. Oh shoot, I cut this.
Oh!
Dang! Alright, so in segment 1, as you saw before, we put all of our seasonings inside. And now, ooh, hold on. I missed one, hold on. Y'all, this one. Y'all see it? Alright, this one. Slaps.
Can you tell us what it's called, ma'am?
It is called Grill Mates Smoky Montreal Steak, okay? Montreal? That sounds like I'm gonna name my kid that. Montreal. Montreal, get over here. Yep, that's the one.
What is that you're putting in it?
Paprika. It don't care what brand you get. I get Kroger because I'm broke and I'm cheap. Okay, I'm not broke, but I'm cheap. So, boom, right there.
Period. We ain't broke over here, sis.
Okay.
Okay.
This. All of it, okay? The whole bottle. Okay, not the whole bottle, but you get the gist, okay? Now you gotta make love to the chicken, okay? So what you need to do is you need some, You gotta make sure all the chicken has seasoning all over it. I don't wanna see no white on this chicken. I need it covered in seasoning, okay? Sometimes you gotta beat the chicken up. Cause you know, like my mama said, I'm only beating you cause I love you. Gotta beat this chicken, okay? Gotta beat the piss out.
Marinate your chicken sometimes.
I marinate my chicken all of the time unless I'm in a rush like tonight. So right now, we're gonna make some smothered chicken. So I got my sauce on the side over there. Don't show the sauce. And in this case, I don't even marinate it because it's gonna taste really, really moist. Oh, I don't like that word. Yes. And if you don't like onions that are caramelized or sauteed on your food, you're crazy.
Period.
And your taste buds are immature and you need to grow the heck up. Back to beating this chicken though. So just gotta mix it all up. I like to put some vegetable oil on top of mine, which I can't get at the moment because it's in the cabinet, okay? But we about to put some vegetable oil and we about to put some more seasoning on this bird, okay? So you gotta just like that, okay? Y'all smack those. Cut the show. Look, all I know, you just gotta rinse off the part that touched the counter, okay? And on top of that, whenever you cook stuff, it's gonna be at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You know after this, that's almost like the sun, okay? So, the germs don't all cook away, and you know, God kissed it, devil missed it, amen. So now we are laying down the chicken in the pan. With my pan, I put water down at the bottom of it, okay? As you can see right here.
Why?
And because if I cook, honestly, I don't know, but it tastes good, okay? So, I think, well, I mean, okay, I think it's gonna make more of a sauce for the chicken. The creams that I'm using are called cream of celery and cream of onion, like I just stated before. Those are what I'm using to smother my chicken in. They taste really good, as long as you make it the right way. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 66. I wasn't out to.
You can still see white on your chicken. You can still see white on your
No,
chicken.
baby, that's pink.
Yeah, but
Look!
That was so bad. That was so bad.
oh, maybe I should turn the oven back on.
Wait, I don't want to do it. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I don't know if this thing is on or not, but I hope so. So anyways, what you're going to do is you're going to put your oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to cover up the pan or don't. It really don't matter. If you cover it up, your chicken going to be moist. If you don't, it's going to be a little crunchy. Not crunchy, but a little crisp. Now, I personally cook my chicken for 30 minutes with the foil on top, and then I take it off, turn over my chicken, and cook for another 35 minutes, and it's going to look like this. It look good, right? I know. I did that.